Why can't you do anything right?
Awesome! You're so lucky!
Yeah!
A flashy quirk for a future hero. It's perfect.
Yeah, you're right. I am amazing. In fact, I bet there's no one as great as I am.
Hey, Teach. Don't let me in with this bunch of losers. I'm the real deal, but these guys will be lucky to end up as sidekicks to some busted D-lister. I aced all of the mock tests. I'm the only one at this school who stands a chance of getting in. I'll end up more popular than All Might himself. And it all starts with UA High!
Oh yeah, Midoriya, don't you want to go to UA too?
Listen up, Deku! You're even worse than the rest of these damn rejects, you quirkless wannabe! You know, if you really want to be a hero that badly, there actually might be another way. Just pray that you'll be born with a quirk in your next life, and take a swan dive off the roof of the building. Something wrong? He's just a little bug. Until the exam, he was nothing. A little bug I could crush if I wanted to. I'm all loaded up. Don't tell me you're underestimating me, Deku. Get over here and show me what you're really made of.
Kachan, I'm not scared of you anymore.
Since you're such a stalker, by now you probably know how my quirk explosion works. I secrete nitroglycerin-like sweat from my hand to make it blow up. Imagine what I could do if I had a lot of it. That's right, these gauntlets aren't just for show. They've been storing up my sweat inside for one monster blast!
Don't do it! You'll kill him!
He'll be fine as long as he dodges!
Kachan!
Out of the way.
Haven't you been listening to me? It'd be insane to fight him head on!
Shut up, scum! I will win this! That's what it means to be a hero, Deku! How about a stun grenade? You want everything I've got, All Might? Like that wasn't my plan! Say goodbye! Why can't you keep up? Got you!
This is a trap! Hi. And bye.
That's my line! Cheap move. Bakugou! If I don't take any risks, there's no way I can beat you! Are you watching? I've gotten even stronger! AMV shot! Let's go! Out of the way, icy hot bastard! Can't keep messing around forever. It's time to put an end to this! Howitzer! Impact! AMV shot! Go to hell! Autocannon! How can you let yourself get beat by such a lame final boss? Hurry and take him down!
Nanada! Aoyama!
The three of you can't even handle one villain? You guys are pathetic. Thanks! Bakugou! What the hell? Stop screwing around! Exploding quirk. Found ya. Damn villain! All right, kids, watch closely. Here's what it takes to become the #1 hero. This is real strength. Gotcha. Let's do this. I'll blast this villain with everything I've got. Howitzer! Impact! Damn it. I bit the bullet and fought alongside Deku.
Same old crap. God, John. I've got a crazy idea. There's only one way we can stop him. Please. God, John. Deku. Double. One for all. We'll save everyone! We'll beat you and win! This is the end of your dream, Deku. You're gonna be quirkless again. Let's go. Huh? I thought I told you not to give me orders! Don't get in my way! I'll keep fighting. I'll break myself. Even if there's nothing left of me, I will win the way I want to. I'll destroy myself before I accept defeat at your hands. You got that!